Good morning, all of you TY BSc Physics student. We want to continue our chapter is free electron and band theory of metals. We have to share the point that density of state in 3 dimension. So, according to given the relation of density of state in 3 dimension, that Z of E dE, which is nothing but 4 pi V twice m upon h cross h square whole power 3 by 2 e to the power 1 by 2 into f of E, that Fermi distribution function, that 1 upon 1 plus exponential E minus EF divided by kBT. So that relation we have to see this graphical representation of the Fermi level, which is the topmost filled electrons energy level. So we have to consider here the total number of electrons up to the Fermi level. So total number of electrons up to the Fermi level, total number of electrons up to the Fermi level, that energy EF up to the Fermi level at temperature T is equal to 0 Kelvin. At temperature T is equal to 0 Kelvin. And if we see that relation, we have to get integration of this N of E dE, which is given as, so that integration of N of E dE is equal to so that integration which is running from 0 to EF of the Fermi level, so that is integration which is considered as 0 to EF naught, so that which is considered as the Fermi level, which is given as 4 pi V into twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 into e to the power 1 by 2 dE. So that integration which is given here, and if we integrating this equation, so that given as N of E is equal to, so this 4 pi V into twice m divided by h square, this value as it is whole power 3 by 2, taking integration this e to the power 1 by 2, so which is given as, so that n plus 1, so we have to get here 1 by 2 plus 1, which is considered as 2 into 1, so that 2 plus 1 3, so that is 3 by 2. So that integration which is nothing but e to the power 3 by 2, e to the power 3 by 2 at integration which is running from 0 to EF0 divide by, so divide by this factor which is given as 3 by 2, which is given as 3 by 2. And if we rewrite this equation, so this equation will become here, we have to give, so this 3 by 2 factor which is go for this numerator is here, so that value which become here, so that N of E is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 pi V twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2, and this integration which is 0 to EF0, E value 0, that which is given 0, and if we take E as a EFO, so that is given by EFO whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. So that in number of electrons relation is like as this, and if we see here that multiplication of this, so that relation which gives here, so that N of E is equal to 8 by 3 into pi v into twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 into EF0 whole power 3 by 2. So this is given as the next equation, that equation number 6. If we see here the Fermi energy at absolute zero, which is given as the Fermi energy at absolute zero. Fermi energy is at absolute zero is given by, so that relation which is given as here, so that h square divided by twice m, h square divided by twice m into 3n divided by 8 pi v whole power 2 by 3. So this relation which is become what? So this n of e which is given this, and if we divide by this z of e, this equation, so that equation which is directly given as that EF which is given as here, so h square upon twice m h square upon twice m 3n divided by 8 pi v whole power 2 by 3 whole power 2 by 3. So this relation will become with the help of, so this is very broad calculation, so this is given by this n of e divided by z of e, and that z of e, that relation will become here, so 4 pi v twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 into divided by this factor, so that will get relation this h square upon twice m 3n upon 8 pi v into whole power 2 by 3. So that at absolute zero the average energy of an electron which is given by that at absolute zero the average energy of an electron is given by, so that average energy which is nothing but E bar, and that E bar which is given by here, so that E bar which is nothing but 1 upon n into 0 to E f naught E n of E dE, so that is given as this E bar is equal to 1 upon n integration which is running from 0 to E f naught energy E n of E dE. N of E dE. So this integration which is take place here, so that relation we have to obtain here, so that energy relation, so that is density of state which is given by, so that relation, so N of E dE which is relation is there, so that is 4 pi v twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 into e to the power 1 by 2 divided by n. So into taking the integration with 0 to EF0 e to the power 1 by 2 dE e to the power 1 3 by 2 d, sorry, here 3 by 2, n of e value which is given as 3 by 2, so that is given as the integration 3 by 2. So that equation will become here. So that factor 4 pi v twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2 is at it is here. So this n is also as it is here. So that integration of this part 3 by 2 dE, so that integration which is given as 3 by 2 plus 1 which is given as 2 into 1 2 plus 3, so that is given as the factor 5 by 2. So this factor which is given as, so e to the power 5 by 2 integration 0 to EF naught, so that is EF naught divided by this factor which is given as 5 by 2. So if we doing this multiplication, so that which is given as here, so which is given as, we have to write here, so that E which is nothing but what is remaining here, so that 4 pi v twice m divided by h square whole power 3 by 2. This factor is denominator, if we go into numerator, so which is given by 2 divided by 5 into EF naught whole power 5 by 2 whole power 5 by 2. So that divide by the term which is given in the last lecture already, so that is given as the 4 pi v twice m upon h square whole power 3 by 2, and already last lecture we have to calculate this factor 2 by 3 into EF naught whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. So if we see that 4 pi v factor which is cancelled, this 2m divided by h square 2m divided by h square whole factor 3 by 2 get cancelled. Remaining part here 2 by 5, and this is given as 3 by 5 whole power, so that this part is cancelled, this part is cancelled. So remaining part is what? So that 2 by 5 into this factor 3 by 2, and that EF power 5 by 2, and so which is given as EF whole power 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, so which is given as these two get cancelled. Okay, so here 2 and here 2. Okay, so these 2 and these 2 get cancelled, so remaining here 3 divided by 5 into EF whole power 2 by 2, and this 2 by 2 get 1, so this factor which is given as, so EF power 2 by 2, so 2 by 2 get 1, so which is given as EF, so this 2 by 2 get 1, so this average energy which is given by E bar is equal to 3 by 5 EF naught. So this is equation gives, this equation gives at absolute zero average energy of electron. So this is given equation number 8. So at absolute zero temperature, zero average energy is given here. So E bar is equal to 3 by 5 EF naught. So this is the idea about we have to given here. So what is the three-dimensional condition according to Schrödinger time independent equation, and with applied to boundary condition we have to get the energy eigenvalue for three-dimensional condition, and after that we have to solving here. So density of state in three-dimensional, and using the Fermi-Dirac distribution we have to get calculate the average energy at absolute zero temperature of the electron which is given by, so that average energy of an electron which is given by this E bar is equal to 3 by 5 EF naught. So up to this one dimensional density of state, three dimensional density of state graphical representation is over or complete this part. Next lecture we have to see here the Bloch theorem. This Bloch theorem, which is considered as the periodic function of the Schrödinger equation solution. This point we have to see in the next lecture. So thanking of you.